I don't know why you're yelling at me. I don't have anything. She doesn't have anything either. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Don't do it. Don't. Are you kidding me? What's the problem? What is the problem? What do you want?
You ready to tell us what happened here last night? No idea.
You're pathetic. You are a grown man. You are a grown man. No, really? He's foaming at the mouth.
He's starving, obviously. I mean, his bowl of food has been sitting out there since this morning, and he couldn't possibly eat that.
Oh, you want our food? Is that what you want? You want our food? You can't have my food. No, I'm not sharing.
Can I help? I was wondering if I could get something out of your freezer.
Do you think he's upset about the clippers?
No, he does this sometimes. I think he wants some more cheese and crackers.
Is she ignoring you? Is she ignoring you? Is she she's ignoring you?
Boots? What do you want?
Morgan, stay. Stop! Stay.
Are you done?
Hello.
Oh no. Oh no.
Let me guess. Naked 2K run? Dinner show. Wow, good.
Stop grinding your teeth.
But just promise me that you'll take care of my sister. What's gonna happen?
Give me cheese.
No, because then he'll do this all the time. You're getting a little porky.
The boy is obviously starving.
Your girth is a little thick, buddy. I know.
That's right.
I called you fat. I'm sorry.
Don't take that one.
Oh, that's right. I called you fat. Oh, fatty McFatty.
Can I let him out again?
Do you need to go outside? Wouldn't that be awful if that's what he wanted? She's a mean mother. No, you do it. He's your dog.
Socks on.
Good for you. I don't have anything on. Well, socks. Oh.
Come on, I'm making pork chops.
I'm videotaping. Wilson, is she not giving you any snacks? Is she giving you no snacks?
Will!
You don't take that shit from her.